तेरा यार तेरा कौन सा आऊँ मैं?
हाँ यार
आती भी 187
तेरे यहाँ 4 घट गए ना 191 पे सतलान आया 4 घट गए
ये क्या है मिठाई क्या है
ये आप जी लेके आए
आप कब कर
आप जी तुझे ढूंढ रहे हैं
नाइस
तू आप जी को ढूंढ रहा है चक्कर क्या है
तो एसी ऑन किया तो दोबारा नहीं खुला हुआ
आप जी इधर गए हैं उनकी वीडियो ही चली जा रही है अगर जानता हूँ फिर तो कोई
किसको guys you having fun watching his matches I am back which one is Atif? I also don't know which one is Atif. Atif P1 ke P2 pe? Yeah, the cameras are correct. Cameras are in the place. P1 is P2 is Atif. Yes, you love the matches. Nice, nice. Exactly, P2 is Atif. यार वो मेरा जूस कहाँ पे अभी मेरे पास था
आप यार
thank you so much. By the way, what is the secret? You know, I just started my YouTube channel and I am getting more followers. Like I got around 13k followers in less than a month or within a month. But on Twitch, it's very hard to get followers. I think it's Pakistan. I feel that because YouTube is very popular in Pakistan and Twitch is not very popular in Pakistan. I think that's the reason. Like I get 14,000, almost 13,500 followers less than 1 month, and it's taking me too long to get followers on Twitch. Maybe it's because of the countries. It's not too famous in Pakistan. Welcome back. ठीक हो आप सुनाओ क्या लाए हो वो उसके अंदर क्या चीज़ है मिठाई वापसी भी आने की खुशी में मंगनी तो नहीं होगी मंगनी होगी है हैं
बड़े खुश हो रहे हैं
No, Twitch is same all over the world. I don't think so. There is any version. There is any Pakistani version of Twitch. Twitch is same all over. What is the score? Let me update the score for you guys. क्या score आतिफ? तू ऊपर जीता के हारा? तू ऊपर है? Okay, Atif won the first match, and Bablu is at 0. Guys, I just hate this character, and both of them are playing with this character. Wow. Hey, what is this? Nice. Oh, nice stuff. I wonder who will win this match. It's FP7. No, FP7, huh? Oh, this is FP7, not FP5.
बकवास स्टेज आ गई है
ऐसा उधर खेल लो उधर खेल लो
हाँ बस आप
अपने फॉलोअर्स के सामने खेलेंगे
शीज द बॉय आप भूल गए
अगर आप जी के साथ खेलना तो बड़ा भी
मिस कर रहे हैं
आप जी कल रास्ता
अस्सलाम वालेकुम गाइस बोलना जी हेलो गाइस
Can you explain me WM Dragon? What are you saying? Or Dragoon? Okay. So what are you saying? Like, if there's a tournament happening in where, like in Pakistan, so I should announce on Twitter or where? I think it's a nice idea, but I don't understand the proper meaning of your sentence. Hey Rose, welcome. Rose, did you hear listen my voice note? I didn't check. Oh yeah, you listen.
oh
Okay, let me reply you. Okay, it's okay. I will reply you later then. By the way, people who are following me on Discord, Rose is the one who is managing my Discord channel. What is Discord server or whatever? I really don't know what is Discord. She is managing my Discord. So if you want to follow me on Discord, then yeah, she's really good manager. Just to update you. Okay, yes, nice idea, Saad Ali. Tomorrow in the morning, I am going to make a video of unban PUBG on my YouTube channel. I hope it will help you guys because a lot of Pakistani community plays PUBG. This PUBG is more common at the moment in Pakistan than any other game. In past, like in 1 year ago, Teen Pati was very famous game in Pakistan. But now I think it's PUBG. And before that there was Clash Royale, a lot of mobile games. People play mobile games a lot in Pakistan because it's less expensive to play and you don't have to put effort to play those games. You just need to just need to swap on your mobile, swap things on mobile, you open the game and you can play the game. So I think this is the thing. I even don't have time to type on Twitter. How can I type on Discord? I love Instagram for some reason. Like, please manage Discord, yours. Okay, okay, I will do this. क्या स्कोर आते?
1-2
ऊपर कौन है?
मैं
आप एक जीते हो. हाँ. It's going to be Paul versus Paul. It's happening by the way. Yes, that's the reason, Sadali. That's the reason they are mentioning me, and you know the. By the way, a lot of people don't know this, but I met Deki Bhai. Once there's a Samsung event in Pakistan. We met at there 3 months ago or 4 months ago, and also we talked with each other on Twitter as well. So we have a little bit connection. We also talk on WhatsApp a lot, not a lot, like sometime 3 months ago. So we had a little bit good connection between them. Only, you know, just we know each other. He respects me and I also respect him. So he also mentioned me in their video. So I think this is the time I should support the other PUBG user in Pakistan, because their merits and dismerits are, you know, everything has merits and demerits or whatever. But who is the best player of PUBG in Pakistan? Do you know? Who is the best player of PUBG in Pakistan? Predator. Nice.
मैं मेरे नंबर लाएगा तो
Oh, nice reply. No one and everyone. Okay.
जाना भी नहीं हो जाएगा
Yes, Atif is truly insane. Look how good he is playing against Paul, and you know Bablu is have playing Paul for around
मैच लास्ट
1 year, 1.5 year. Atif is more experienced. At the end of the day, it's experience that counts. Look at Nee. I will not say Nee is good at every character, but he can play every character through his experience. Like he also know how to play with Yoshimitsu. I have seen his videos. He's playing Yoshimitsu, and he also playing Link Shayo in his video. But he's not good with these characters. So damn Link Shayo is way better than Nee Link Shayo. And same goes for iMusician Yoshimitsu is way better than Nee's Yoshimitsu, but he can play. But the beauty is not in his gameplay when it comes to Yoshimitsu and difficult characters, you know. But Pao, he has very beautiful Pao, very good Pao. Like plain characters, he can play plain characters very well. Like he can play Kazumi very good. He could play Geese very good because these are plain characters. Doesn't require you much of execution skills. Like Nina, I am afraid he cannot play Nina very well. Maybe if he invests too much time on Nina, then he can play Nina. The same goes for Atif, but because when you play a lot of characters, you cannot main. What to say? What is the right word? Okay, so I forgot the right word. When you play too much characters, so you cannot play properly with everyone. So yeah, this is the thing. You cannot play properly with everyone. The way iMusician plays Yoshimitsu, Atif but cannot play with that. Master. Yes, master is the right word. Thank you. You cannot master.
एक टाइम था 6-7 बजे 8 बजे
You know, I was thinking to commentate on one of the knee matches. He played a match versus Chanel, and he was using Steve, and Chanel was playing with Zafina. I was thinking to commentate on this match and upload it on my YouTube channel. Is it okay, right? You can do that. You can pick someone's content and commentate, and you can upload it on your YouTube channel with you have to give your the channel's reference as well and other stuff, but you can upload it. So I was thinking to upload this. Maybe I will upload it. I was watching his gameplay. He has very good streak. His Steve got really improved, I must say. He's now more experienced with his Steve. He's using great use of back one, down forward 2, and also he's mastering down forward 2 combo. And right now I think Hira already in 80% or 90% mastered this combo. He really missed this combo, and he's mastering this combo. I think his Steve got really improved. I really want to play against his Steve now, because I played with his Steve. I was managed to beat knee Steve every time when I faced his Steve in past, but I really want to play again with his Steve. And you know the reason, guys, you know the reason, because I practice with Atif, but I practice with Hira Malik, and there's one more guy, Saleh, and there's more, like, I think these are the 3 players I practice with them, so that's why I am good. You can say I am a little bit good against Steve. Wow. 3 down, 4-2, 1 plus 2. What is the score? It's 4-1. Nice. He blocked. Nice. he is in your language one of the gods of Tekken. I agree. He's very good and he's really good. I think in top two from Korea are Nia and Ulsan at the moment for me, and Japan maybe Chikurin and Nobi, or maybe you can add. Yeah, I would go for Nobi, not Noroma. Noroma is very inconsistent. Nobi as well, but Chikurin consistent level is great. Nobi is sorry, Chikurin is consistent with his performance. No, he can play every character, guys. He is playing Paul for 6 months. I guess Atif is playing Paul for 6 months. Or maybe 1 year. Oh, nice. What's gonna happen now? I think Atif would go. Nice, nice. 5-1. But a match. Did you see Chikurin's tweet? He showed interest coming to Pakistan one more time. He wants to come Pakistan one more time. Let's see. Because when last time when he came to Pakistan, almost every top player beat him in FT10 sets. Let's see what he can do this time if he come to Pakistan. I talked to him personally and he said that when he come to Pakistan this time he will bring some Japanese player with him when he come to Pakistan. Guess guys, what if Nobi come to Pakistan? It's gonna be really epic. No? What if Nobi come to Pakistan? I will flash. That's my dream. If Nobi come to Pakistan. Well, I was a huge fan of Nobi. When he won Evo tournament, I really became his big fan. But after that, his downfall started, or what you say? Not downfall. He was not winning most tournaments then. But in 2011, I used to be a great fan of Nobi. Some guy messaged me on Twitter and he said that thanks to us, thanks to Pakistan community, now US citizens are also playing FT10 sets, FT7 sets and FT3 sets on their streams. So yeah. Nobi is more aggressive than Atif. Nobi is more aggressive than Atif, I will say. But I really wanna see the match between Nobi and Atif. But we have witnessed that match, I know, in Tokyo, Japan. But I wanna see that match in long set, in FE10. By the way, you are right. These players are little bit similar when it comes to game style. It's 6-1. So it's okay. Meow. Okay, now it's my turn.